Still hanging out here till tomorrow. Just want to start off the video just to give a brief recap of my experience trying to get my Tesla Model 3 steering wheel misalignment problem fixed. I bought the Tesla last Friday. Today is Wednesday, and I first called the delivery department at Dania Beach on Saturday. Left a message saying what was going on, asking someone to call me back. I didn't hear anything on Saturday. Sunday, of course, I didn't hear anything, but then Monday came and I still did not hear any response. I called and left a message on Monday, again, repeating my request for someone to reach out to me so we could figure out how to get it fixed. No response. I sent an email, I believe, Monday afternoon. Got no response to that. Followed up with another voicemail on Tuesday, again asking for someone to call me back, and no one did. So finally today, when I was in the meeting, of course, I finally saw a 754 number call, which is the area code for Dania Beach. And I was in the meeting, so I couldn't take it right away. The person left a message and said, okay, well, you can call either the Dania Beach main number or call my cell phone number. Called the cell phone and got a voicemail again. So I left another message. Didn't hear a call back, but then I just out of the blue, when I had my lunch break, I did call them again. I called the cell phone number of the person that called me, and he answered. So it only took 5 days for me to get a human being on the phone, and we talked about the situation. And I had a couple beers, so the resolution was sort of comical to me. Basically, he said what I should do is, he said, since I live in Naples, it makes sense for me to go to the Sarasota Tesla service center. But the thing is when you look at the service centers that are available to people living in Naples, Sarasota doesn't even show up. And I said, well, why wouldn't that show up? He said, oh, well, it's new, so it doesn't show up in the app. I'm like, oh, okay, that's interesting. So anyways, since I couldn't select the Sarasota Service Center, what he instructed me to do was to make a bogus appointment for Dania Beach, which in the system is scheduled for May 7th, which is Tuesday. But I told him that really I only can come on a Saturday because I don't want to use vacation days to fix my Tesla. So he said, okay, so you make the appointment for Dania Beach, but in the notes you put that you actually want to go to Sarasota and you actually wanted to be on Saturday. So yeah, that's what I did. I made basically a fake appointment that said I actually want to go to Sarasota and I actually want to do it on a Saturday, not Tuesday. And yeah, that's where we left it. So yeah, that's the state of Tesla service. It's I mean, when I went there to pick up the car, I definitely got the impression that they were kind of overwhelmed. I mean, they need more help. I mean, lots and lots of people have bought the car. Lots of people are interested in the car. I distinctly get the feeling that they are understaffed. And you know, taking 5 days to get back to me is another indicator of that. It says in the message, we'll return all calls within 24 hours. So they obviously were not able to do that. So anyways, yeah, that's my Tesla story. I'll fill you in when I have more information, but I am heading back down to Tampa Riverwalk, this time with the one wheel. So let's do that. To be clear, I still love the car. The car is awesome. I mean, it's so awesome. But you know, I had to be honest about, you know, what I'm experiencing as far as getting that problem rectified. So yeah, that's it. All right, here we are, back on the Riverwalk on the one wheel. I had 3 shock tops, just a disclaimer. One wheel's so much fun, guys. It really is. Wow, I covered that distance pretty quick. Maybe it just feels quick because it's so much fun on the one wheel. Time flies when you're having fun, you know. I'm just going up this little hill here to see where it leads me. Only between the Tampa Museum of Art and Strauss Center, or whatever that is. Not sure. I guess we can go check it out. realized today is May 1st. That means that my pint shows up this month. Well, maybe. Very exciting. News from Cindy. If things go as hopefully are planned, Dalen the rooster will be rehomed this evening. Through a friend of a friend, we found someone that was actually looking for a rooster. They're looking to have baby chicks, so Dalen will fit that bill. So Cindy's going to try to catch him tonight, put him in the cat carrier, and take them over to these people. And our Dalen days will be done. And I can't say that I'm sad about that. We definitely gave him a good shot, but he just made our entire chicken experience very stressful. So, you know, part of me feels sad, but part of me feels relieved as well. My warranty. Such a good spot to ride, man. Starting to rain. Means I need to go back. I'm gonna avoid the warranty. It's getting windy too. Yep, I'm wet.
What is that?
You ever seen one of these?
I have not.
It's called a one wheel. It's like it has like a skateboard tire on it,
What?
but it's almost like it's like a snowboard sort of with a big fat tire.
Yeah, okay.
A lot of fun.
That's very cool. I know.
Yeah, you gotta wear your safety gear if you're gonna get one for sure. So I've fallen quite a bit.
What floor are you on?
7. Yeah, I've been wanting to do a Casey Neistat door entry for like 2 years, so might as well do it now. So yeah, I'm back. All right, so that wraps up my my EUC riding here in the Tampa area. I have my meeting tomorrow, and then I'll be leaving right from there back south to Naples. So it was fun. I wasn't quite sure what to expect as far as where I'd be able to ride, but that Riverwalk area is fantastic. And riding the one wheel down there was even better than riding the 18L. You know, just the one wheel still is my fun king. When speed and distance isn't a concern, the one wheel is still my fun king for sure. So if you found this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll be sure to let you guys know about where my Tesla experience goes from here. Like I said, love the car. Not loving the service experience so far, but I knew I was going to have a little bit of that because I live in Naples and I had to pick up the car on the East Coast, so I knew it was going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I didn't expect it to be quite this big of a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. But I'm sure it'll all work out. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I think I said that already. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're going to subscribe, you might as well hit that bell so you're notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. And feel free to leave your comments, suggestions, ideas, and thoughts below. And that's all I have for you for now. Till next time, Duffman out. I hope I didn't void my warranty.